Next, we move to not the least, but the last pilot presentation of the day with Airy Automotive and OPmobility. And for this, from Airy Automotive, I have the CEO and founder, Gustavo, and the managing director at OPmobility, I have Felice, to join me on stage. I guess they're ready to join? Okay, they're ready. Let's receive them with a warm welcome. It's you.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
It's you. Okay, awesome. You got it.
So, maybe before we quickly jump into the topic, a quick introduction about myself and about Airy. So I'm Félicie Burel, I'm Managing Director of OPmobility, a French family-based solution and components mobility system producer. And we are engaged in two fields of expertise. Well, everything about the exterior of the car, so exterior lighting and modules, and everything to powertrain storage, whatever the source of energy.
Yes. And my name is Gustav. I'm the CEO and the founder of Airy Automotive. And what we do is we want to revolutionize the way you produce EVs with our novel technology, fiber drive, to go into mass production with 3D printing. And we want to do it together with OPmobility, of course.
Exactly. And why is that? Because obviously we love mobility, but we want it to be more sustainable, which means safer and have a greater contribution to the environment. And for that, obviously we are involved in e-battery systems, and we believe that with Airy we can come up with a great solution that brings lighter weight, obviously then consequently less footprint contribution in terms of carbon footprint, and obviously at a cheaper price. So we've engaged for a year now, and we have a pre-development contract with an Asian OEM, and we are looking out for a first delivery starting next year. So can you tell us more about this solution?
Yeah, absolutely. So what you need to understand about fiber drive is that the magic is in the software. It's fully software driven. That's number one. The other thing is that it's a holistic and fully reliable system. So instead of a full production line, you have one single machine that does it all. And it's a fully scalable system as well, where you can deploy more fiber drive machines depending on your production needs to produce these lightweight structures.
And what can you tell us about the material we use?
Yeah, so as you mentioned, we want to produce with the most sustainable fibers out there. And here you see, for example, properties of glass fiber that we produce with for the project we're doing together. As a comparison, you have a normal aluminum here, which is used for battery pack structures, but also many more components. And just by changing the material, you can actually reduce the weight by 33% and improve the strength by more than 200% just by the material.
So obviously the material is a very key critical part of the solution, but then the big question is what does it mean in terms of benefits? And after we move to also what are the main industrial KPIs that we can think about?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we basically do in this project is we simplify a bunch and we print the battery pack, as you see behind us, in just 2 parts with every single feature included. And just to name a few, that's mounts, the cooling system, crash chargers, thermal insulation, EMC, and gravel protection, which are vital for the safety of the battery pack.
About some metrics that you can share on the industrial business model?
Yeah, absolutely. So what you see here is that with just 4 fiber drive machines, we can produce well over 3,000 battery packs. And the cool thing is actually here that you can, with just a click of a button, change the parts that you're printing. So let's say you want to update your part, you update in software, and with the same machine, you can then produce different parts and scale depending on the demand.
And I think you have some more figures that
yes,
you can share.
and fiber drive is, of course, very space efficient. We have estimated that we can produce around 500,000 battery packs, for example, with a space of less than half of a football field. So it's probably one of the most space-efficient manufacturing methods that I at least know of.
Thank you, and I think we can sum up in 3 key benefits that we see. Obviously, we can include much more safety features in one shot, so that brings a lot. Second, in terms of production time and consequently cost, there's a high level of efficiency that we can improve. About 60% of the parts of the BOM can be removed. And finally, last but not least, the recycling. It's thermoplastic and glass fiber, and we can come up with a solution to recycle that easily. So a lot of benefits. And again, we believe, we are very proud to have this collaboration, and a corporate company with a young startup, and it can indeed happen. So thank you.
Thank you, Felicity.
Well, and this last presentation is also time for the last award of the day. We would like to highlight OPmobility's engagement in the open innovation sector, their commitment to drive new technologies forward, and also the great collaboration with Airy together to make these innovations come to life. And so we would like to present the manufacturing award of the plug and play to you, OPmobility.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And to you, Airy. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you to you. To us?
Yes. Make sure to strike a pose right here. Yes.
And maybe the team also.
Yes, of course.
The team of OPmobility and Airy,
yes,
please come on stage and join us for a shared picture.
Ali?
Right in the middle.
Thank you.
Yes.
Congrats. Well deserved. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Yeah.